Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to register a test set with RServer using a CX310 and an RxT1200 platform. The only difference in the process is navigating to the RServer tab in the first place. Let's start with the CX310. First thing I'm going to want to do is turn on the test set itself. Once the test set is powered on, I want to click on the RServer button at the right-hand corner of the screen. This will take me to the RServer menu, where I can enter the server address, tech ID, tech name, company, and supervisor ID associated with the test set. Once I'm happy with all the fields entered, I can press the register button at the right-hand corner of the screen. This will register my test set with the server, but I still won't be able to upload results or download profiles. To do that, I'm going to have to navigate to the RServer web and look for the test set list menu. I like to use the drop-down box to navigate to the test sets. The test set list will show you all of the test sets registered with your server. You want to find your specific test set that has your tech ID, tech name, company, and the status of requested. To approve the test set, you want to select it on the list and press the Approve button. Now your test set is approved with the server, and it can upload results and download profiles. If we go back to the CX310 and we press the check button, you'll see that the test set is now registered and approved with the server. A region, district, and system will now be shown depending on the supervisor ID entered. You can go to the Upload tab to choose results that you would like to upload to the server. You can go to the Download tab to see which profiles you have downloaded on the test set and which ones still need to be downloaded. You can also see the current software version on the server. That's how you register a CX310 with the RServer. Now let's try an RxT1200. First thing you're going to want to do on the RxT1200 is power the test set on. This should take you to the Getting Started screen. To the left of the Getting Started screen, you should see a Utility tab that you can click on to expand and find the RServer tab. This will take you to the RServer menu, which will let you do everything you can do on the CX310. So that's upload results and profiles, download profiles, and see current software. Thanks for watching.